Hi, Tony Shives coming to you from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to talk about transmission fluids. How often do I change them? Well, the answer is look at your owner's manual, and if you don't have an owner's manual, give us a call and we can help you out. Different types of fluids. Honda has their own fluid, Mercedes has their own fluid. Most of them are all available here at CarQuest, so we can get them for you. We do have flush machines. Years ago we changed filters, dropped the pan, put 8 quarts of fluid in. The difference, you only got half the fluid. Now with the flushes and the flush machines, you get 95% of the fluid. And that's where the problem usually lies, is the fluid, not the filter. So again, do you have any questions? How often does it need done? Some vehicles don't even get transmission fluid replaced. There's some CVTs, there's some sealed transmissions, all different makes and models out there. They all have different options. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 717-485-4224.